It's not like Christmas came by surprise. I don't know why you're behind, but worry not. I have got a list of 15 super easy, quick Christmas presents that you can crochet last minute. Before we go any further, all of these crochet patterns, they're free by the way, apart from others. You can find the links to everything on my website. So find that first link in the description box and get clicking. At number 1 is the crochet chunky infinity scarf. You can never go wrong with scarves. However, if the person that you're trying to gift comes from a very hot place, then this is maybe not a very good idea. But if you want something quick and easy, then this infinity scarf, very beginner friendly by the way, is the way to go. You will have this done in one afternoon, I promise you. That's if you are a bit more of an experienced crocheter. But to not waste your time, let's go to number 2. Beanies. They are cute, they are comfortable, they are a very cute gift that you can give someone, and best for you, quick to make. So at number 2, we've got this very free, cute, quick beanie that you can make for whoever loves the beanies. I mean, they can always keep the beanies in their wardrobe if it's too hot yet again, but if you're still looking for something more hot weather friendly, I've got something coming up for you. So let's head to number 3. A crochet mug cozy. If you know they love tea, I mean, you can have tea in hot weathers. I have tea and I'm from Malawi, but I drink my tea every morning. Then this cup cozy will be a great present. Plus, it's so quick to make. If you have scrap yarn somewhere in your stash, use it. You've got something to use it for now. So you can whip up a few, like 5 or 6 in an afternoon, and you've got about 6 people gifted and sorted for Christmas. At number 4 are the fingerless gloves. These are worked with single crochet. So if you're a beginner, try this out. Plus, it's very quick. Unless the person you're gifting has very big hands, but even still more, it's very quick. You'll have it done in an afternoon or a morning. And if you're trying to gift a few people, then you can do about 2 or 3 in a day, if you've got the time, that is. Let's head on to number 5, a crochet ornament. I feel like we're a bit late for this, but if you feel like you can whip up something that they could just hang on their Christmas tree or by their door, then MJ, I think her name is Michelle, she never disappoints with the Christmas ornaments. We've got these cute little socks that you can make. You can make 1 or 2, they're very small, so it's gonna be off your hook before you know it. So you can make a few and they can just dangle them down on their fireplace. Or I've got you covered. I told you. This is so cute. If this is your kind of stuff, or if you know that they would love this, then what are you doing? Pause the video, go start making it. At number 6, we've got the crochet Christmas slippers. I mean, they don't have to be Christmas slippers. They could just be slippers. But if you want to make them in Christmas colors, you could choose a red or a green or an orange and white. These could just be crochet slippers because these are something anybody can use all the time. If they're in the house and they love to have something on their feet, then this would be a very quick project as well for you to make. Next, we've got this crochet dishcloth set. It is so cute. It's quick to make because it uses a very quick stitch. I think it's either the half double crochet or the double crochet. So if you know those stitches, then they will be off your hook before you know it. And when you make them a cute little set, they just look so adorable. They will look gorgeous in their kitchen. The next one is for those that have no time to crochet, and this is our very own design t-shirts that are Christmas specific. So it's this t-shirts with a yarn, wine, and Christmas cheer with a little Christmas hat and Christmas trees at the bottom. Gift yourself for once. One thing that we crocheters do not do is think about ourselves. We're always trying to make something to gift for somebody. We forget ourselves. So get this for yourself, wear it, or get this for your crochet girlies. Knitting girlies, where it's not just for crochet people, it's for anybody that loves yarn. So be sure to support me and get yourself one of these tees. At number 9, we have got the crochet ear warmers for the headband. You could never go wrong with a headband. I don't have one because I've got locks, as you can see, and the yarn tends to stick in my hair. But if I had normal loose hair, I would be killing those like nobody's business. So if they have hair and they love to have their hair up in a bun, then these headbands are the way to go. So be sure to make them something like that because it doesn't even take up much yarn and it's quick to make. So what are you doing? Get off the video. Get out of my way. Go start making yourself a headband. Number 10 is one of my personal faves, and that is this crochet basket decor. They're quite small. You don't have to make them very big. So the smaller they are, the bigger they are off your hook. I mean, why would you want to make them so big? It's for home decor. So if you know the person you're trying to gift loves their home decor, then this is the way to go. Number 11 is one that I cannot wait to get my hands on, and it is one of our very own. You do not have to make Just at a click of a button, it'll be at your doorstep or whoever you're trying to gift it for. And that's our very own t-shirt. That's for animal lovers, coffee lovers, slippers, comfort lovers like myself. And it's this t-shirt with I'm a simple woman with cat paws or your dog paw and your coffee and your, oh, it's so cute. I cannot wait to get my hands on mine. We cannot talk about quick crochet presents without mentioning the crochet coasters. So at number 12, we've got these quick and easy, very cute crochet coasters that will be off your hook before you know it, and they are so nice. Made from t-shirt yarn, and that means they'll have so much comfort and protection between the cup and the table, so the person you make it for will absolutely love them. And I feel like t-shirt yarn is so much easier to clean. Correct me if I'm wrong. Number 13, it's another personal favorite of mine, and that's this cute crochet planters. If the person you're trying to gift loves their plants, then this is the way to go. At number 14 and 15, I guess, because if you go through my article, you realize I went from 13 to 15. I guess I was tired. You will forgive me for this, but it's another one of our own sweatshirt. If where they are is a bit chilly, this sweatshirt is the way to go. It's a sweatshirt written yarn on the chest, and it is just so cute. This is also again for knitters, crocheters, people who love, I don't know, any craft that goes for yarn. Okay, and for you, get yourself one. Don't just get them one. Get for you and your crochet girlies, your knitting girlies, your knitting boys, your crocheting boys, or just your yarn loving group. And thank me later, I guess. So if you find the link to my shop, you'll find that there's a few of those crochet and knitting related stuff, from tote bags, mugs, t-shirts, sweatshirts, and soon we'll have baby stuff as well on that page. So be sure to follow us, subscribe, and support our page. Until next time, get crocheting, get knitting, or whatever that you're doing, because Christmas is next week. Depending on when you're seeing this video, probably next week or this very week. So the things I have listed in this video for you are very easy and quick to make, and they do not call for yarn. So they will not go deep in your pockets. They will be off your hooks before you know it. And chances are you already have that yarn. You don't know what to do with it. So I hope I was of help. And if I was, I love you too. I can't wait to see you next time. Subscribe if you haven't. Otherwise, bye.